Welcome to Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Monday, April 6th, 2026, and we're breaking down everything you need to know about yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. The major indices ended last week on a cautious note. The S&P 500 slipped 0.3%, Dow Jones dipped by around 75 points, and the Nasdaq lost just under 0.5%. Volatility remains elevated as investors watch global risks and central bank policies. The headlines today: geopolitical tensions in West Asia, central bank decisions, and renewed debate over whether AI-driven tech stocks are a bargain or a bubble. Let's dive into what mattered for investors. First, the big story shaking markets worldwide. The West Asia conflict, especially the war in Iran, has become the key driver for stocks, oil, bonds, and even currencies. According to Joe Ciolli at Business Insider, this is the largest oil disruption in decades, and it's rattling both global business sentiment and the wallets of ordinary consumers. As Brent crude hovers near $107 per barrel, oil-sensitive sectors like airlines and transport are feeling the heat, while energy stocks are holding up. On the policy front, analysts are laser-focused on the Reserve Bank of India's upcoming meeting. With inflation still a threat and growth signals softening, expectations are for the RBI to pause on interest rate changes. Indian equities, which just had a 3-day break, are bracing for more volatility. The Sensex dropped about 264 points, or 0.35%, and the Nifty fell 0.46% last week as foreign investors pulled out more than 1.2 trillion rupees in March, one of the largest outflows in years. The rupee briefly weakened to 93 per US dollar before recovering with RBI support. Tech stocks are back in focus, and not just for their volatility. Investment strategist Marta Norton points out that the Magnificent Seven, that's Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, Apple, and Tesla, are now down as much as 19% from their October highs. Their valuations are now in the cheapest decile since 2015. Norton says the AI story isn't going away, and these stocks could be long-term winners, especially as they're expected to spend nearly $600 billion on AI infrastructure next year. But in the near term, brace for more volatility while investors wait for tangible profits from all that AI spending. Speaking of risk, penny stocks have lived up to their reputation for gut-wrenching swings. 14 penny stocks in India crashed between 40 and 75% in the past 3 months. These low-price names like Deep Health AI India and Exivia Lifecare plummeted as much as 73%, underscoring the dangers of chasing fast gains without solid research and risk controls. And in the crypto world, Charles Schwab is making it easier for mainstream investors to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum directly inside brokerage accounts. Schwab's phased rollout could make crypto exposure as common as holding stocks or ETFs, should adoption take off, a major milestone signaling that digital assets are here to stay in traditional finance. For investors, all of this adds up to a market environment driven by headline risks, policy pivots, and rapid rotations between value and growth sectors. Patience, discipline, and diversification are more important than ever as both noise and opportunity escalate. Let's close with the numbers. S&P 500 down 0.3%, Dow off about 75 points, Nasdaq down nearly 0.5%. Watch for the RBI policy decision, U.S. inflation numbers, and developments in West Asia as top triggers this week. Don't forget to subscribe for your essential daily market rundown. For more insights, visit our website and stay tuned for tomorrow's update here on Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Have a productive trading day.